First of all, this is Vishal Khurana. He's done the music for the film Nija. And you all have heard Jeete Hain Chal. A lot of people have sent me messages saying that they were in tears and they love the song and it resonates and gives them heartache and all of that. It's very cool. What is supposed to give us heartache?
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know.
It's because of your performance.
My Basha, it's not because of the music. It adds, yeah? Okay.
सॉन्ग्स के बारे में बताएं सॉन्ग्स
विशाल, आप गाने के बारे में बताओ क्योंकि आप are the best person to talk about the music, right?
The music in total.
Yeah, in totality, what, like they want to know music done.
The music for this film is very simple and very heartfelt, and I think it's because of the inspiring lyrics of Prasoon sir that it adds that real emotion, whatever. And the film is very genuine and very raw and very honest, and the performance of Sonam especially is like mind blowing.
Okay, so you're supposed to say that.
I know, but that was the real inspiration actually.
Sonam, congratulations for the song. It will be a chartbuster, no doubt.
Congratulations, why congratulating me? इन्होंने गाना बनाया है.
But still,
I'm just
आपकी
giving my-
acting है. You're a part of this song. You're a part of this movie. It will be a chartbuster. आपका एक और chartbuster है, which is Coldplay. People are enjoying it. Your fans are enjoying
What do you
it.
think
Yeah,
of the
it's
song?
amazing.
Amazing, right? Amazing, yeah.
Yeah, people are enjoying it, but there are certain people who have not liked the song. Beat.
I think I'll tell you, I'll answer this in one statement. There's something amazing that I read on Facebook. The most Indian thing about Coldplay's video is the reaction to it. Yes.
That's good.
How are you facing it?
I want to talk about Jeete Hain Chal. I want to talk about Aankhein Milayenge Dar Se, because right now let's talk about what we as Indians are doing. Not what people are doing to Indians. So Jeete Hain Chal is the first song that was out, and there are 4 songs in the film. 4, right? 4 songs. There's Jeete Hain Chal. There's Aankhein Milayenge Dar Se, which is right now my personal favorite. Then there's the mother song. What is it called? The mother song?
Aisa Kyun Maa.
Aisa Kyun Maa. And then there's a love song which we'll be launching very soon. So there are 4 songs, and they're all situational, they're all inspirational, and there is obviously no lip sync in this film, but it adds to the performance. Filmmaking is a collaboration, it's a collaborative process, and I don't think anything separately works, and music is such an integral part of it. And especially in a film like Nija, the music has to be really like delicate and beautiful and add to the film. And I think Vishal has done an amazing job with that. So and they are all written so beautifully, and that's all Prasoon sir. I mean, he's the person who wrote Masakali for me. Like I said inside, it made me world famous in India. I'm using Atul's lines, and it made me Sonam Kapoor. And it was a story. It was a song about freedom, and I think over here he knows how to write for young people. I feel he understands the voice of young people. So where Masakali was about freedom of a young person in India, for me, Aankhein Milayenge Dar Se is the voice of what I think the youth in India are feeling right now. That we don't want to be scared anymore. We want to face everybody and everything and have an opinion like we do on everything. So I think he gets the pulse, and he is, I think, one of the most important poets of our time right now. So I'm very, very excited that Prasoon sir has done 3 of my films. Yay!
But this song will not be in the movie. This song will not be in the movie. Have you wished कि काश ये गाना होता movie में?
डाल दो यार गाना. हाँ, नहीं. See the thing, the idea, like I said, it's a voice. It's like the ad for a film. You understand? It's the essence of what the film is. It's like I said, I keep saying that this film is about the youth for the youth. She was 23 years old, and if you see the energy in that song, it's the pulse of what we're feeling, and that drum in our heart to kind of work, do something. So I think it's like it's Ram's. He's using his advertising and he's using it for our film to say that this is the essence of the song. We can't tell you what the story is about, but this is what we're trying to say with the film, and that's why it's important.
Sonam, you said your dad has seen the film. What was his reaction like?
आप उनसे ही पूछ लो ना, मैं क्या बोलूँगी.
सोनम 10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी रंगे बसंती.
हाँ जी.
10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी रंगे बसंती जिसने
प्रसून सर कुछ बोलना है?
लोगों को बहुत इंस्पायर किया था. तो आपको क्या लगता है ये मूवी भी उतना ही लोगों को इंस्पायर कर पाएगी?
I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope that happens. Both the directors' names start with R and Prasoon sir is attached to कुछ तो हो जाएगा. And both of them are my directors, if I may say so. So I hope that happens. I really, really hope that happens क्योंकि this film is to inspire people.
And ma'am, is this creatively your most satisfying experience?
Every film I would say the same thing. So till now, this has been my most creatively satisfying. I could do what I wanted to do in this film.
सोनम सबका एक डर होता है.
हाँ जी.
डर होता है. आपका वो कौन सा डर रहा है जिंदगी में आपकी? और
Besides my mother. मैं actually honestly अभी दिखाई नहीं देता, but I was a very shy person. मैं बहुत ही shy थी. I'm not very good at public speaking. मुझे स्टेज फ्राइट बहुत है. एक्चुअली 8 साल पहले मैंने एक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दी थी और उसके बाद आई हैव नेवर परफॉर्म्ड ऑन स्टेज टिल आई डिड Stardust or something. I did in Stardust. I danced again after 8 years, and that's only because I did Nija. And I realized that it's a small thing. It's going up on stage and facing people and performing or dancing or talking on stage. I don't know if you've never heard me host a show or danced on stage or any of those things. And only because I did Nija, I realized यार मैं कौन हूँ यार, मैंने क्या किया लाइफ में. This girl faced fear and she saved life and she realized she was fearful for her life and she still did it. What am I fearful for कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? And I think that's everybody's biggest fear. अब मैंने एक campaign किया है Fear versus Nija और I'm telling you 90% of the people who have been tagging me and tagging Fear versus Nija are all afraid to be themselves and are afraid of लोग क्या कहेंगे. And I think that's all our fear right now, and so that was my biggest fear. लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Any fear you want to overcome?
Lots of fears, yeah.
एक अगर बोलना चाहें.
A fear of not having I don't want to ever not have an opinion on something.